Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can disable auto brightness feature in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings in your Redmi smartphone. Swipe down, go to display, and swipe down. Here you can see better brightness level. You have to just turn off this. If you it is the option automatic brightness is that when you just it is increase or decrease your brightness according to your room lighting system. And if you want to change by yourself, you have to just off this setting and you can customize according to yourself. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.